Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta vodka sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons olive oil in a large skillet. Add 1 chopped onion and cook until soft. Stir in 2 cloves, minced garlic, and a pinch of chili flakes for warmth. Pour in 1 cup vodka and reduce briefly to concentrate flavor. Add crushed tomatoes and simmer gently, then finish with 1 cup cream, Parmesan, and reserved pasta water to reach the perfect silkiness. Heat a skillet over medium heat and add olive oil, then gently sauté onions until translucent. Add garlic and a touch of chili, stirring briefly to release aroma. Pour in vodka and let it simmer until the sharp alcohol smell softens. Stir in crushed tomatoes and simmer to meld flavors, then finish with cream and grated Parmesan. Combine with cooked pasta and adjust with reserved pasta water for silky, clingy sauce. Remove the sauce from heat before adding Parmesan to prevent separation and keep a smooth texture. Stir in a handful of chopped fresh basil near the end for a lively herbal lift. Taste and season with salt and freshly cracked black pepper to enhance the flavors. If the sauce seems too thick, whisk in reserved pasta water in small amounts until it clings perfectly to the noodles for an elegant, restaurant-style finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.